Do you know what you'll get from 5 plus true? No idea? I'll tell you. The answer is 6. Yes, but why? Let's clear it up. Hi, let's talk today about type conversion and concatenation in JavaScript. I'm Anatoly and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. According to ECMAScript specification, the addition operator can perform either string concatenation or numeric addition. The compiler evaluates both left and right part of an expression and makes a decision what to do further. If at least one of those was a string, then both are evaluated as strings. Otherwise, the compiler performs a numeric addition. In our example, neither of two values is of string type. The compiler performs a numeric addition, so both values have to be treated as numbers. 5 is already a number, but true boolean type is not really. JavaScript coerces a true boolean into the value of 1 and a false boolean into a value of 0. In this case, both operands are treated as numbers, not strings. So the expression is equivalent to 5 plus 1, and I can logically assume that their sum is equal to 6. All these rules are covered by the type conversion section of ECMAScript specification. Consequently, you can see that the following expression will be evaluated as 11. Regardless, the left part of expression is a number, the right expression is a string. Therefore, the concatenation instead of the addition operator is performed. However, the next example is evaluated as 0. Since the right side is coerced to a type number because the mathematical subtraction can be applied to a string, thereby you can easily calculate the following expression. The division operator is applied to numbers only. The left side is a number, at a time when the right side is coerced to a number where y is 0. Accordingly, 2 divided by 0 is infinity. It's true only in JavaScript, that follows the international standard, but not in the real world. That's it. So easy. If you liked this video, give it thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.